Hello, my dear viewers. Today I am bringing to you a recipe that is very close to the heart of every Assamese. The recipe is called Jika Masor Anja, meaning fish gravy with rich gourd. It is a very light and tangy stew made with rich gourd and fish, any type of river fish, and it can be relished on a hot summer evening for dinner or maybe for lunch. I would also like to request you to subscribe to my channel in case you haven't done this so far, to get more such interesting recipes in your feed in near future. Do subscribe to my channel by clicking the button near my channel. I'm following my mother's recipe for preparing this delicious stew, and the main ingredient of this recipe is rich gourd, which is called Turai in Hindi and Jika in Assamese or the local language. The benefits of Jika or rich gourd are many. It is rich in iron, it is rich in fiber, and it is low in carb as well as fat. It can be consumed by diabetic people as well. So yes, you can include it in your day-to-day diet. It is very healthy and it is widely used in many types of Assamese cuisine. This is how you
can see, we just have to cut the ridges and we keep the green part in between, which makes the curry or gravy more tastier and more nutritious.
And here are our ingredients, as you can see on the chopping board. They have been chopped now. So here they are: 2 chopped tomatoes, some panch phooran, bay leaves and 1 dry red chili, 2 chopped rich gourd, 1 piece or slice of lemon, some grated ginger, 2 chopped onions and 2 chopped potatoes. And here is our pre-marinated fish.
First, I have put in the panch phooran, red chili and bay leaves into our hot mustard oil. Then I have added in the chopped onions and we'll let it fry for a little bit. Now in goes our chopped rich gourd and potatoes into the pressure cooker. I am cooking it in the pressure cooker as it will be completed in short period of time and the process will be easier. Then I have added 1.5 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of haldi powder. Now we are going to fry it for some time before adding the tomatoes and the ginger paste. Let it fry for a few minutes on medium flame. Friends, you can see I am covering the cooker with the lid, but I am keeping a small opening. What this will do, this will keep the steam inside, most of the steam inside, so that the potatoes and the rich gourds get thoroughly cooked. Meanwhile, I am going to fry my fish pieces, my katla fish. Our potatoes and rich gourds have been frying for some 5 to 7 minutes now. What I am going to do now is add my chopped tomatoes. In goes the chopped tomatoes as well as the ginger paste. Friends, I am frying my katla fish. When you fry the katla fish, it is always a thumb rule, for that matter any type of fish, the skin side should be down. You should start with the skin side. So as you can see, the skin side is down and is frying. And I am using mustard oil, warm mustard oil for frying my katla fish. Meanwhile friends, my vegetables are cooking this side in a very can see the combination of colors. They are frying slowly in my pressure cooker while my fish pieces are frying on the other side. We have to adjust the temperature from time to time, but the fish skin needs to be crisp. Friends, I have turned the fish pieces upside down and you can see the nice crispy skin and the color. Let it fry on this side as well for few more minutes, then we will take them down. Meanwhile, my vegetables seem to be cooked. Now I am going to add about 2 cups of warm water and let it simmer for some time. You can see our gravy or stew is getting a very nice boil. It's bubbling, it's shimmering for some time now. And meanwhile, our fried fishes are also ready to be taken off. Now I have put my second batch of fishes for frying. Let them fry for some time. Friends, now I have added my fried fish to the gravy and I will let it simmer, like boil for another 5 minutes. One tip I want to give you to make this gravy tastier is that at the end I put the oil in which the fish was fried. I sprinkle that oil as well on top of this gravy. As you can see, this oil bubbling. Now let it simmer for 5 minutes so that it tastes better and the fish also gets infused with the taste of the gravy. It is boiling. Let it boil. You can see after 2 to 3 minutes on high flame, this gravy is getting a very good bubble with the fishes. What I am going to do now is the lemon juice, from half of the lemon I am going to add this to my gravy. Get it? To give it extra sour taste. After adding this lemon juice, I am not going to cook it for longer. I am just going to put the burner off and let it rest.
So friends, here is our Jika Masor Anja to be enjoyed with a hot plate of rice and your favorite assortments. If you really liked watching this video, do like, share and comment and do subscribe to my channel. I'll come back to you soon with yet another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye and take care.